Hi, my name is Seth Hampton, the Movement Master, and today I'm going to show you how to make a high-protein, low-fat shake. When you're going low-fat with a shake, it's pretty important to pretty much go dairy-free as much as you can. So we're going to start with a very quality protein powder that's hemp-based. We're also going to be adding in some super green powder, some oats, some strawberries, blueberries, a banana, and water. Basic to the point. I'm going to start with the protein powder. This is a great protein powder that's kind of a combination of hemp, brown rice, and yellow pea protein. All plant-based protein, but very high in amino acids, and also has a lot of acidophilus digestive effects too. Got a little bit of green powder right here. This is where you get your spinach and your kale kind of all mixed up in one. Go greens, you know, a little bit just to add it in. We want to get some carbohydrates in there too, not overly doing it, but just a little bit to keep the energy up. Excellent, a little bit of oats there. And next our fruit, blueberries, excellent source of antioxidant. And again, adding to the taste, sweetens it up a bit. Natural sugars are very important for cell rejuvenation. We've got some strawberries here. They're also an excellent source of fiber. I'm going to take my water, filtered water of course, mix it all the way in. Excellente. And of course you can add ice too if you want a more frothy effect for your shake. Get this going on in here. This is going to be really, really good. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Doesn't take long. Looks very green, I know, but actually it's quite delicious. I'm Seth Hampton, the Movement Master, and that is how you make a high-protein, low-fat shake. Cheers.